So today we are going to start the fifth lesson, light and vision. Take your textbooks and get ready to the lesson. So we have to wait a few minutes.
Hello, sir. Hello. Hello, sir. What's it?
Yeah, okay.
Hello, sir.
Oh,
Sir, I'm sir. පස්සේ sir මේ ගත්ත sir call එකක් sir ඒක sir එක line busy කියලා වැටෙනවා sir. sir මේ වැඩකදී ඉන්නේ sir ඒ වෙලාවේ.
දැන් හරිනේ නේද?
ඔව් sir මේ මං අහගන්න ඕනේ අර සද්දට මට සම්බන්ධ වෙන්න බැරුව ගියානේ ඒක.
හරි. ඒකේ වීඩියෝස් අද වෙද්දි ඔක්කොම අප්ලෝඩ් කරනවා. තාම මේ අප්ලෝඩ් වෙන ගමන් තියෙන්නේ. Videos are still uploading. The last all videos are still uploading.
sir ලියන්න දුන්නත් sir.
නෑ මොකොත් දෙන්නේ නෑ. Okay. There are 36 participants. How about others?
අදට 36යි ඉන්නේ.
38.
$39, $40.
Okay, so now I'm going to start the lesson. Take out your science book and turn into the page number
57.
right. Now you can see in the screen lesson number 5, light and vision. So today we are going to start this lesson. Okay. If you have any questions, please inbox me. So please switch off your microphones. If you want to ask a question, turn on and ask, but better if you send me a question as a message. Okay, right. Light and vision. Lesson number 5, light and vision. So the page number is 67. Page number 67. Light and vision. Right. So the subtopic 5.1, how can we see? So today we are going to study about how can we see. Right. During the daytime, we can see things clearly, but we switch on the lights to see them at night. If we close our eyes, we cannot see anything even during daytime or at night with lights on. So let us find what requirements should be fulfilled to have vision. during the daytime, dahawal kale, we can see things clearly, but we switch on the lights to see them at night. So we have to switch on lights to see the things at night, the things around us. So if we close our eyes, we cannot see anything even during daytime or at night with lights on. සමහර වෙලාවට S2 වහගත්තා හැම වෙලේම වගේ S2 වහගත්තොත් අපිට කිසි දෙයක් පේන්නේ නැහැ. S2 අරගෙන ඉන්න වෙලාවට තමයි පේන්නේ. S2 අරගෙන හිටියත් ලයිට් එකක් නැත්තම් ලයිට් වෙලා නැත්තම් අපේ වටපිටාව අපිට ඒ පේන්නේත් නැහැ. So let us find what requirements කියන්නේ පුතේ අවශ්‍යතාවල should be fulfilled. Sapura ganna. Fulfill means sapura ganna. Fulfill to have vision. So this is a simple activity, activity 5.1. You will need a cardboard box. සපත්තු පෙට්ටියක් වගේ එකක් ගත්තොත් ගොඩක් උණයි. You will need a cardboard box with a lid. Lid is essential. The 1 rupee coin. රුපියල් එක කාසියක්. A torch, a small object which can be kept inside the box. A dice, a flower, a key, etc. Anything, a small thing that should be kept inside the box. So the method. Now I'm going to explain the method. Cut a hole at center of the lid, similar in size of a 50-cent coin. In the method, lid එකේ මැද you have to cut a hole. The similar size in size of 50-cent coin. 750 කාසයක size පොඩි සිදුරක් කපන්න. Cut another small hole in one side of the box as shown in the figure. You have to make another small hole inside one side of the box as shown in this figure. You can see clearly in this figure. Now keep the small object in the middle of the box. So you have to place the object in the middle of this box and close the lid. So you have to close the lid. Then close the hole on the top of the lid with 1 rupee coin. So we made a hole in the size of a 50-cent coin. So we have to close the hole on the top of the lid with the 1 rupee coin. So we have to choose a larger size coin than the hole we made. First, observe the object through the hole at the side of the box. So we have to place your eye in here. You can see I'm selecting here. You have to place your eye in here. Then you have to observe the inside of the box through this hole. You have to observe the inside of the box through this hole. Now tell one of your friends to identify the object by looking through the same hole. So you have to tell one of your friends also look through this small hole.
Sir,
Yes, Puta.
then we join you now.
So today we are going to start the 5th lesson, light and vision. So now we are discussing the lesson. So join page number 68. Turn to page number 68 and listen. So now I'm explaining activity 5.1. So we were here. Okay. Can you all please turn off your microphones? I'm not going to turn off your microphones. Right. Now take away the coin and direct the light of the torch through the hole. So first you have to cover this large hole by a rupee coin, but then you have to remove the coin and insert the direct light to the torch, light of the torch through the hole. So මුලින්ම අපි කාසියෙන් මෙන්න මෙතන වහන්න ඕනේ. වහලා අපි මුලින්ම මොකද කරන්නේ? මෙතන හෝල් එකෙන් බලනවා. එතකොට ඊට පස්සේ කාසිය අයින් කරලා ටෝච් එකෙන් ලයිට් එක දීලා මෙන්න මේ හෝල් එකෙන් ඔබ්සර්ව් කරන්න ඕනේ. එතකොට තමයි අපිට ඇතුලේ තියෙන මේ ඔබ්ජෙක්ට් එක පැහැදිලිව පේන්නේ. Right. Then observe the object through the hole at the side of the box again. Tell your friend to do the same. Ask whether he or she can identify the object. So discuss with your friend about the differences of the observations. Observations can taken down when the hole was closed and the torch light was directed in. හෝල් එක වහලා තියෙන වෙලාවටයි ලයිට් එක දීලා තියෙන වෙලාවටයි මේකේ ඔබ්සර්වේෂන් එක ගැන ආයෙක ඩිස්කස් කරන්න කියලා තියෙනවා. From the above activity you can understand the light is needed to see something clearly. This is very important. This is very important. From the above activity, now I'm going to highlight this one. You can understand that light is needed to see something clearly. Light is essential for the vision. So the presence of light is essential for the vision. Vision can put a penny. Is only light enough to see an object? They ask a question. Is only light enough to see an object? No. Is only light is not only the how they. I'm going to turn off mute all. Right. Now again, if you have any questions, please inbox me. Use the chat to ask any questions. Again, good morning all of you. Right, okay. Is only light enough to see an object? Are there any other needs to be completed to see an object clearly? Now look at activity 5. Look at the activity 5.2. Very easy activity here. Go to place with plenty of light. Plenty of light. Unfold your hand. Unfold your hand. Now observe the lines on your palm well. Now observe your lines on your palm. Now observe your lines. Right. Then close your eyes and keep the hand unchanged. So you have to close your eyes now. Unfold your hand. First, you have to observe the lines on your palm well. Then close your eyes and keep the hand unchanged. Thereafter, open your eyes. Can you see the same observations which you had when the eyes were opened? Even though you close your eyes, the hand still gets light. Then why didn't you see the lines on the palm, which you observed when your eyes were open? To have a good vision, not only light, but also the eye is important. To have a good vision, not only light, but also the eye is important. The main factors which are needed to see a source of light and the eye. So this is very important. The main factors which are needed to see are the source of light and the eye. Okay. First factor is source of light. Then and the other one is eye. So these are the factors needed for the vision. These are the factors needed for the vision, source of light and the eye. Okay, so now we are going to discuss sources of light. Sources of light. In lesson number 4, you have learned about sources of energy, energy sources. So now in this lesson, we are going to study about sources of light. The main natural source of light is the sun. The sun is the main natural source of light and main natural source of energy also. At night, we use bulbs, lamps, candles, and other artificial sources. Krutima Teval. Artificial sources to get light because there is no sunlight. In night, there is no sunlight. other hand, that we get light even from the moon and stars at night. Not only from the lights, even stars and the moon also emit light at night. We get light from these objects because they emit light. Such objects which emit light are known as sources of light. So objects which emit light are known as sources of light. So this is the definition to sources of light. You have to remember it. Objects which emit light are known as sources of light. ඒ කියන්නේ ආලෝකය ලබා දෙන දේවල් අපි ආලෝක ප්‍රභව කියලා හඳුන්වනවා. Sources of light. Okay. And the next topic, luminous and non-luminous objects. Luminous and non-luminous objects. We can't see anything when we enter a dark room. But if we light a bulb or a candle, we will be able to see the candle and the bulb as well as the other objects in the room. The reason is that the light emitted by the candle or the bulb enters our eye. The object which can produce their own light is called luminous objects. So the definition to luminous objects, the object which can produce their own light. All things cannot produce their own light. All of the things cannot produce their own light, but some objects can produce its own light. Now look at this pictures. Lighted bulb. Lighted bulb is a luminous object, and lighted lamp is also a luminous object. So these are the examples for man-made luminous objects. And next one, look at these pictures. This picture shows, the first picture shows a firefly. Kanamediriya කියලා අපි කියනවා සිංහලෙන්, firefly. And also light emitting mushrooms. So these are also luminous objects, but these are natural luminous objects. ස්වභාවික luminous ඒවා. කියන්නේ යාලා විසින්ම යාලාගේ ආලෝකය නිකුත් කරනවා අපිට. උදාහරණ මේ firefly. එයාගේ ඇතුලේ ස්පෙෂල් එයාගේ සිද්ධ වෙන මොකක් හරි ක්‍රමයක් නිසා එයාගේ light එක emit වෙනවා එයාගේ ඇඟේ. Mushrooms also like that. You may have observed organisms like glowworm, firefly producing their own light. There are also some types of mushrooms which emit lights. So these are natural sources of energy. Think the same dark room which was mentioned before. කලින් සඳහන් කරපු කළුවර කාමරය ගැන පොඩ්ඩක් මතක් කරන්න. We are able to see not only the bulb but also other things such as bed, chair, and table after the bulb was lit. But if the bulb was not lit, you won't be able to see them. Light එක දැම්මොත් විතරයි පේන්නේ, දැම්මේ නැත්නම් පේන්නේ නැහැ. The reason for that is that those objects do not emit light. ඒ දේවල් light එක emit කරන්නේ නැති නිසා අපිට ඒවා රැයට පේන්නේ නැහැ. Such objects which do not emit light are known as non-luminous objects. So objects which emit lights are known as luminous objects. Objects which do not emit light are known as non-luminous objects. To get a vision of such an object, a light ray of luminous objects must fall onto it. Now I'm going to explain how can we see. I'm going to explain how can we see. So look at here. I'm going to animate and explain it. So this is the sun. So this is the sun. And there is a man this is a man and this is a tree. Okay. Now, so we are going to explain how how this man can see this tree clearly by the help of the sunlight. First, sunlight falls onto the surface of this tree. Then this light ray reflects to the man's eye. First, the sunlight will fall onto the surface of this tree. Then this light reflects and go towards to the man's eye. So man can clearly see the tree. So this is how we can see things clearly by the presence of the light. So I took here the sun because sun is our main natural source of light. Okay, I think all can understand. Okay, understood. මම පුතාලට තේරෙන්නේ නැති කියලා තේරුණා නම් හරි නැත්නම් මගෙන් ප්‍රශ්නයක් විදිහට අහන්න. Right. Now our next topic is transmission of light through objects. Transmission of light through objects. Right. So before start this topic, if you have any questions, you can ask from me. So I'm going to unmute all of your microphones. Okay. If you have any questions now, this is the time to ask. Yes.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Excuse me, sir.
Havik,
What is a
what is your what is the
what
question?
is a globe? What is a globe?
Oh, glowworm කියන්නේ පුතේ මේ light එක කියන්නේ light එක emit කරන මේ creature කෙනෙක්. සතෙක්. අපි කියනවා මේ රෑ බදුල්ලා කියලා කියනවා. රෑ බදුල්ලා කියලාත් කියනවා. හරිද? රෑ බදුල්ලා කියලා කියනවා සිංහලෙන්.
Okay,
හරි.
sir.
කියන්න බලන්න තව ප්‍රශ්න තියෙනවද?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes පුතා.
Sir, moon non-luminous objecterne?
Sorry, moon. Oh yes. We will discuss about that. Moon is a non-luminous object. So,
How does
any questions?
radiant light?
Josh, what is your question?
How does radium reflect light?
Radium reflect lights because of the radium is a radium වලින් radium is a radioactive material. That is because radium emits light. Okay, right. Radioactive material. අපි කියනවා මේ විකිරණශීලී කියලා කියනවා සිංහලෙන්. Right. Are there any questions? Amindu? Sorry? Your voice is not clear. Can you again ask the question?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, sir. Sorry, Ryan? Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Puta, Pamindu.
මම පළවෙනි විනාඩි 10 හිටියේ නෑ මොනවද සර් කළේ ඒ වෙලාවේ?
අපි textbook එකේ lesson number 5 explain කර හිටියේ. වෙන මුකුත් අපි විශේෂයක් කරේ නෑ. Lesson number 5 page number 60. What is the page number? 62 or 69?
Sir.
Page number 60.
Okay, sir.
I think page number 60.
67.
67. Page number 67. Sorry, page number 67.
Sir, 67.
Yes. Okay.
Sir.
Yes, Puta.
Sir, ඉස්කෝලේ ආවට පස්සේ මේවා ආපහු සාකච්ඡා කරනවද sir?
ඉස්කෝලේ ආවට පස්සේ බලමු අපි. මොකද අපි ඉස්කෝලේ එද්දි කල් මදි වෙනින් තමයි මෙහෙම කරන්නේ. ආවට පස්සේ බලමු.
sir, ඉස්කෝලේ ආවට පස්සේ sir මේවල අර activities කරමුද?
ඔව් කරමු අනිවාර්යයෙන්ම හැම activity එකක්ම කරනවා ඉස්කෝලේ ආවට පස්සේ. Okay, so now I'm going to continue the lesson. Transmission of light through objects. So I'm going to mute your microphones again. If you
Sir,
want to ask any questions, please inbox. chat කියලා එකක් තියෙනවා group chat එක හරහා මට message එකක් එවන්න. Right, okay. Now transmission of light through objects. Transmission of light through objects. Transmission පුතේ මේ ගමන් transmission කියන්නේ ගත්තොත් මේ හරහා ගමන් කිරීම කියන එක තමයි මෙතන මේ කියන්නේ ගමන් කිරීම කියන තේරුම තමයි මෙතන කියන්නේ transmission. Transmit වෙනවා. එහෙට මෙහෙට ගමන් යනවා හරහට යනවා. Glass is used in windows of many houses to get light into the house. In all of your houses, the glass are used in windows to get light into your houses. But sometimes curtain are used to limit the amount of the light falling. Curtains වලින් අපි cover කරනවා එළිය වැඩිපුර දෙන්නේ නැහැ නේද? එළිය නැති වෙලාවට curtains අරිනවා එළිය තියෙන වෙලාවට curtains වහනවා. In some bathrooms, decorative glasses are used to get light. දැන් bathroom එකක් ඇතුලේ එහෙට මෙහෙට පේන light glass එකක් තියෙන එක හරි නෑනේ. ඒක නිසා decorative glasses පාවිච්චි කරනවා. Decorative glasses. මේක හරහා light එක විතරයි පේන්නේ object එක clearly අපිට බලා ගන්න බෑ. We can't see clearly the object through decorative glasses. Right. We use the property of light transmission through the objects in different ways. Let us investigate further on this. So we use the property of light transmission through objects in different ways. ඒක වැඩවල වලට අපි පාවිච්චි කරනවා මේ property of light එක. දැන් බලන්න activity 5.3 a simple activity. There is another simple activity. You will need a piece of cardboard, a candle, and the following objects. මේ කියන පල්ලෙහා තියෙන මේ දේවල් ටික අපිට අවශ්‍ය වෙනවා. A metal sheet. You will need a metal sheet, different types of polythene sheets, an oil paper, a piece of decorative glass, a black color paper, a small piece of wooden sheet, tissue papers of different colors, a thin piece of glass, a piece of newspaper. So these things will need for this activity. This is a simple activity. Now let's move on to the method. Look at this picture, figure 5.3. So you have to make a small in the middle of the piece of cardboard. Then you have to place that early mentioned objects in between the candle and the piece of cardboard. Okay, cut a square of the size 3 centimeters into 3 centimeters. 3 centimeters දිග පළල තියෙන මේ කාඩ් ඒ කියන්නේ පොඩි ස්ක්වයර් එකක් මෙන්න මෙතන මැදින් කපා ගන්න ඕනේ පොඩි හිලක් 3 centimeters දිග පළල තියෙන. Then light the candle. Now keep each of the things you have gathered in the middle of the hall to cover it. You have to place in the middle, in between these two candle and also the piece of cardboard. Next, move it towards the flame of the candle and observe the flame through the object. The flame එක පේනවද කියලා බලන්නයි අපි යන්නේ. ගෙදරදී කරන්න පුළුවන්. මට පොඩ අත උස්සන්න බලන්න ගෙදරදී මේක කරන ළමයි. Praveen, Ruvinder, Shenal De Silva. Hands up those who wish to do this activity in your homes. Right, okay. Again, then after doing this activity, you can fill this table. So now look at this table. The first column shows the used objects, and the next column, second column, shows the observations. First one, black color paper. So this is the observation. Light and the flame of candle cannot be seen. Both light and the flame both cannot be seen. කිසිම දෙයක් පේන්නේ නැහැ. How about the decorative glass? How about the decorative glass? So now I'm going to turn on your microphones again. Now give me answers, okay? So we are going to discuss, right? So how about decorative glass?
Sir, translucent.
Light
Sir,
can be seen. The flame of
translucent
the candle
light
can be
can
seen.
be
Light
there,
can be seen, but flame
translucent. Translucent object. Translucent.
තාම අපි translucent transparent opaque කියන එකට ආවේ නැහැ. දැනට අපි මේ හරි ඉන්නේ ආපුවම බලමු. So now how about the decorative glass? Light can be seen.
Light
But
can
the
be
light
seen,
cannot be clearly seen.
but
Flame
cannot be really
Clearly
to the decorative
Light can be seen, but the flame cannot be seen clearly.
Clearly seen.
Okay. Then how about the thin piece of glass?
we can see
Both the light and
clearly.
flame can be seen. Both the light.
And flame can be seen.
Both
Clearly. Both the light and flame can be seen clearly.
Both the light and the flame can be seen. How they? Microphone එක off කරගන්න දැන් නිදිමතයි නම්. Okay. තව object එකක් කියන්න මම පුතේ. Huh? Thin piece of metal.
Metal sheet. Metal sheet. Oil paper.
No, oil paper. Very good. Oil paper.
Oil paper.
Golden sheets.
Wax paper.
A piece of a newspaper.
Oil paper.
Wallpaper.
Wooden sheet.
ඒක පොඩ්ඩක් type කරන එක පොඩි ප්‍රශ්නයක් තියෙනවා.
The wax paper.
Wax paper. Oil paper. Right, okay.
Light and the flame can be seen.
Yes.
The we can't see flame.
Can you all see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So by doing now according to the observations, categorize the object into three groups as follows. Light can be clearly seen when looked through some objects. Even the flame of the candle can be clearly seen. But next one, B, light can be seen but flame cannot clearly see. And C, both light and the flame cannot be seen. ඔය තුන තමයි පුතේ අපිට මේන් ගන්න පුළුවන් ඔබ්සර්වේෂන්ස් තුන. සමහර ඒවා තියෙනවා ලයිට් එකයි ෆ්ලේම් එකයි දෙකම පේනවා. සමහර ඒවා තියෙනවා ලයිට් එක පේනවා ෆ්ලේම් එක ක්ලියර්ලි බලා ගන්න බෑ. සමහර ඒවා තියෙනවා ලයිට් එකයි ෆ්ලේම් එකයි කිසිම දෙයක් පේන්නේ නැහැ. ඒතකොට ඔය තුන තමයි ඔබ්සර්වේෂන්ස් තුන. After getting these three observations, you have to fill again this table 5.2. මම ඔයගලන්ට note එක විදිහට එක දෙන්නම් ඉස්සරහට. තාම මොකෝත් writing book එකේ ලියන්න යන්න එපා. note එක එවනවා. A, B, C. Thin piece of glass. A.
Sir.
Oh, කියන්න.
WhatsApp group එකද sir?
ඔව් ඒකට එවනවා. The object through which light is seen on the flame is not clearly seen. Decorative glass and black color paper. They have to fill rest of the this given area by early discussed examples. Okay, now again, if you want to ask any questions, again you can ask now. You can use the group chat and also the microphone. දෙකම පාවිච්චි කරලා පුළුවන් ප්‍රශ්න අහන්න. සද්දනතු ඉන්නවා ප්‍රශ්න අහන්න ළමයි දෙතුන් දෙනායි ප්‍රශ්න අහන්න.
sir.
Yes, Sunit. Can you please turn on your video?
Okay, sir.
Yes, Sunit, what is your question?
Sir, when will we receive the record, the science recording?
Recording today. Now I am uploading the previous lessons. So in today, you
sir,
can receive
excuse me, sir.
past lessons, recorded lessons. Right?
Sir,
Yes.
sir. සර් මට සර් එදා සම්බන්ධ වෙන්න බැරුව ගියා කිව්ව දවසේ ඒක සර් කිව්වා නේද මොකද කිව්වේ නෑ කියලා.
Oh.
ඒක සර් අදම දානවද සර් නැත්නම් හෙටම දානවද?
තාම අප්ලෝඩ් වෙනවා බලමු අද දවසේ අප්ලෝඩ් දාන්න try කරමු.
අප්ලෝඩ්
අද තාම අප්ලෝඩ් වෙනවා YouTube එකට.
ඒක තමයි සර් ගයන් සර් එකත් වෙලා ගියේ.
දවසේ අප්ලෝඩ් දාන්න. Right. Okay. So we have
Excuse me,
1
sir.
minute and 5 seconds to end of the first session. Then again you can join.
Sir, do you have to
We have
rejoin?
less than 1 minute. So again I
Teacher,
would like to share the screen.
Teacher, do you have to reconnect? Sir, do you have to reconnect again?
Yes, you have to reconnect.
Excuse me, sir.
After the session
Pass.
ends, you have to reconnect.
Sir, අද කීය වෙනකන් තියෙනවද sir?
9:30.
Sir. Excuse me, sir.
අද පැයකමාරක් තියෙනවද sir? අද පැයකමාරක් තියෙනවද sir?
9:30.
Excuse me,
දැන්
sir.
මගේ අතින් textbook එකේ පිටුව ගියා පොඩ්ඩක් ඉන්න. All right. So we were here. Sources of light, luminous and non-luminous. Transmission light through objects.